air fryer is here. Hi, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager at Haven's Kitchen. So, I think we can all agree that crispy chickpeas are an amazing snack and salad topper, and that's kind of the star of this recipe, aside from our chimichurri. So we're gonna make these chickpeas in the air fryer, get them nice and crunchy. We've got our baby kale from our friends at Bowery Farming, our chimichurri, a little bit of tahini that we're gonna mix with our sauce, some lemon, and then fresh garlic. So in terms of equipment, all you need is an air fryer, which I'm using my handy dandy Ninja, a chef's knife, and a small whisk for the dressing. I'm just gonna grab some salt for my chickpeas. And y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell so you get notifications when we're dropping new stuff. So I've salted my chickpeas. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of our chimichurri. Toss these in here. Kind of make sure they're spread out decently. I wanna take a peek. So these are gonna be in the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 375. I've said this before and I'll say it again. I'm a lazy girl when it comes to cooking, so I'm using my same bowl that my chickpeas were in. We're making a chimichurri dressing, so it's all going in the same place, same flavor, etc. Pouring in my tahini, some acid. I'm gonna do a squeeze of chimi, and then my garlic. All right, here we go. Let's check on the chickpeas. Yum! We've got crispy chickpeas, y'all.